Hey guys, Flippin' Landlord Ninja here with two guys' take on real estate. So I want to talk today about ARVs and Zillow estimates. So we actually bought this house about a year ago at a foreclosure auction, and when we were buying it, we had to figure out a rough value at that time, what it was be. And I think we had looked at the Zillow estimate and it had said around $320,000 at the time. Right now it's saying about $345,000 as we're nearing done with the project. But if you look at actual sales in the area, you have a very different take on what actually this house could actually be valued at. There's actually a house just down the street, very similar square footage, same bedroom count, same bathroom count, very similar style of home, not fully renovated, but mostly up to date. And that property sold just a couple months ago for $395,000. You really need to look at what is selling in the market currently, because Zillow's algorithm seems to take a little bit of time to actually catch up, and therefore you could be literally leaving tens of thousands of dollars on the table. Another property we just actually sold, just to give a real example, is we bought this house and Zillow estimate was saying about $210,000. We got everything all renovated, looked at the different comps, and we actually put it on the market and sold it for $250,000. Literally, we would have just lost about $40,000 if we took what Zillow's estimate, was, and actually listed it for that price. Of course, you hear people come in and say, "Oh, the Zillow estimate says this, the Zillow estimate says that." That's great, but I have, a sale here, sale there, and then I have an appraiser come through and says, "Yep, this is what the real value is." So really make sure you're running your comps, looking at if you have a friend that's a realtor, if you have access to the MLS, that will help a lot. You can find some stuff on Zillow, but for recent sales, but I would say the best source is actually the MLS. So if you get a chance, try to find a friend or that you could actually get into the MLS and find the actual recent comps. I generally look at the last 6 months and then kind of within a half-mile radius. And sometimes in certain areas you might have to go a little further out, but don't trust Zillow estimates. That's the key here. Do not trust Zillow estimates. Do your own due diligence. Find comps in the area, and that's going to help you make sure you capture as much value as possible. Also, when the market starts changing and values start going down, you're going to see that quicker in the market than you will with Zillow, and this way you don't catch a falling knife. So really take your time and do your due diligence. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe, hit that like button. If you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them, and I hope you have a good day, guys. Thanks a lot.